Hi everyone, dear parents and dear students. I am Dr. Beena Johnson, developmental pediatrician and senior consultant in child guidance. This video explains the importance of motivation, which is essential for students for their excellence in exams. Motivation is the process by which goal-directed activities are started and continued. Through motivation, the student gets stimulated to do the activities which help them to accomplish the goals. Best performance in exams results from actions motivated by intrinsic interests. Motivation will initiate, guide, and maintain the goal-directed behaviors of a student. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. There are two types of motivation. Extrinsic motivation. Students can be motivated to learn well by external factors like praise, prizes and awards. Intrinsic motivation. Intrinsically motivated children will take the initiative themselves to study well and they will enjoy the learning process. Students need both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation for their long-term and sustained success. Motivation will help students to achieve their personal goals. Motivation is an essential factor which encourages all the students to give their best performance in exams. Now we will discuss the key factors in an individual that lead to motivation. First is direction. To get motivated, the first element needed is a specific goal to be achieved. Then define the direction of actions, and after this process is completed, inspiration to achieve this will naturally come to the mind of the individual. The second key factor in an individual that lead to motivation is called intensity. How much strength a person puts for fulfillment of the goal is a key factor which helps the individual to attain it. The third key factor is persistence. The strong determination is a crucial factor which is necessary for accomplishing any goal. By getting motivated, children can achieve the planned goals and excel in exams. Experts in child guidance can motivate the students to improve their academic performance and guide them towards excellence in exams. Best wishes to all students. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates on best child development and parenting.